Croatia and the Adriatic. Now, when I first investigated this program, I thought I could create something about 6 or 7 or 8 days long. But in actual fact, it turned out to be 13 days because there's just so much to see. But it also has to be handled differently. You must go to Split, it's fantastic, and we spend a day there. But we actually stay in Trogir nearby, and the reason for that, when you're coming in the airport and you go to your hotel, your taxi can drop you right outside your hotel. And as you turn back and look at this gorgeous old city 200 meters away, you realize that when we come back there, when we've been out to the lakes, when we've been to Split, you come back and in your time, my time, you have that fabulous city at your fingertips to go into and enjoy at leisure. And that's the same with Dubrovnik. We spend 4 nights there. 4 nights because you need that time. Now Dubrovnik, the pearl of the Adriatic, is swamped with tourists during the day. And yes, we visited in the day, but being in our hotel within a short walking distance of the side gate means you can go back there in the evenings whenever you want to. And I can tell you the highlight of your life will be in that pearl of the Adriatic when all those tourists are gone and the sun is making the stones go a lovely burnt umber colour and the light is beautiful and they've all gone, and you sit in your restaurant and it's peace and it's quiet and you have my time in the right place, and that's what we give you. Now, we also have a couple of very unusual lunches. On Hvar, there's a place called Milna. There's a restaurant on stilts over the rocks. Lovely lady there, not a traditional group restaurant. We go there, and so having visited Jelsa and going there, having lunch, the rest of the day is yours free. That is the way to enjoy Croatia. Just like when we are going from Mostar in Bosnia-Herzegovina to Dubrovnik, we could do that in a day. We stop in a place called Mali Ston, we climb on a boat, we go out into the bay, we do oyster shucking, and then we come back and we dine in the Botasari restaurant. There is no rush because it's the Albatross way. Time at leisure, my time, lunches, seeing more, doing more, and not constantly being rushed. That's how you should do Croatia. Our way, the Albatross way. Come join us.